Hello everyone, I'm already here in my farm. I want to visit my chicken. Here's my chicken. We will talk to my chicken because my chicken house already have his appetite. Hello chicken. How are you? Yes? Oh, my chicken is really responding very much. We will go near. Hi chicken. Say hi to my vlog, my chicken. What are you doing? Why you keep on running, my chicken? And the dog are also barking. Bark to me, my chicken, bark. Oh my god, we will tour you around in our places like we have a lot of chicken inside here. So we will go here. Now we have one chicken. We have to talk the chicken. Oh, the one who took is my phoenix. Yes. If I talk to my phoenix, then my phoenix will respond to me like that. Hello, how are you? Do you want to become a tinola? Say hi to my vlog, my chicken. What are you doing? How are you now? Yes, say hi. And my chicken is very... Oh, the one is barking, and at my back, the one who's barking is my chicken biryani, chicken masala, and chicken curry. This is chicken curry, one of my chicken. And the other one, oh, who took the gauk at my back is one of my chicken biryani. So this is the vitamins. This is what we called multivitamins, minerals, amino acid. And the two of them are also shouting at me because they wanted to taste it right now. So I'm telling you, if you want to buy it, we have a lot of this in our hardware. Not hardware, in our agri products. So you have to go to there. Okay, so this is what we call King's Butter Plus animal feed supplement. So there you go. The one at my back is, or the one is flying. That is chicken biryani. And the other one is, have to talk to my chicken, or the one. I will talk again. They will talk to me. So they are responding to me. Or one. Oh, that's chicken biryani. The other one is chicken masala. Just wait for a moment. We will respond. Oh. The other one. At the back. Okay. Oh, this is what we call it, chicken kebab. This chicken kebab, one of my chicken. I will talk to my. They're responding. Other one, chicken biryani and chicken masala. Oh, there is. And this one. Once again. Oh, did you see that? This one. You hear me? Oh, the other one. Oh. All of my chicken are responding to me, so I tell you, this is really one good exercise because of this multivitamin. Oh, one more time. Oh, they will respond to me. Oh, do you hear that? Oh, one more time. You and you at one more side. Oh.